I'm gonna wear my hat, but my hat has black one, and if you turn it around, it will be red. This red suits me. Let's see. This describes me of Selimash. And he has this hat too. It flips, and but he's got a smile face, but mine has stripes. But in the black one, I'm gonna try the black one. Does it look good on me, guys? Like, does the red one good? Black one is the better because it's so cool. Voila!